Are you ready for the next 1000x? Yes, I have it ready for you. It's coming in January and it's hot. You ready for it? It is DotPad. Yes, I know it's another launchpad, but it's focused on the Polkadot ecosystem, and that's what we're going to cover in today's video, along with market timing. So if you like today's content, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. If you don't know me by now, my name is Jagir. I'm the award-winning author of The Extraordinary New Venture Capital Opportunity, How to Invest Like a Pro, been featured in the best-selling book, High Probability Trading Strategies, back in 2008, where I used to focus on currencies only, but now exclusive on cryptocurrency. So let's dive straight in. DotPad, man, it is looking hot. DotPad is with the Bluezilla ecosystem, and they're launching a pad exclusively for the Polkadot ecosystem and Kusama. So if we scroll down, if you're not familiar with Polkadot, it's one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies. It's a layer 1 solution, and it allows you to build your own blockchain almost with just a few clicks of a button. But also Kusama is like the sister of Polkadot. Now, what I wanted to show you here was, if I can find it, is Bluezilla have now partnered with the Dot Fund. There's an official fund for the Polkadot ecosystem via Master Ventures. What we can see here on their Twitter is Bluezilla is excited to announce its recent investment in Master Ventures Polkadot VC fund. We have a lot of investment going into the Polkadot ecosystem, and it's set to disrupt a lot of things to make things a lot more smoother, easier, faster, cheaper, etc. because of the way this ecosystem is very, very fast growing. So DotPad, I'm confident it's going to do at least a 300x, likely a 500x, but even depending on the market conditions, possibly even a 1000x, as we said at the beginning. But the main thing I wanted to cover today was a similar video to what we did in August. It was August 26, 2021, this year, got over 10,000 views, and the video's title was How to Make a 1000x in Crypto Using Launchpads. 3 things you must know to avoid losing money. And one of those key 3 things was market timing. In this video, TrumpPad was 3 cents. And what I said in the video was, it's not peak IDO season. So therefore, you're not going to get great returns with IDOs during the next few weeks and maybe even months, but you're going to get the membership for the Launchpad at a massive discount. We are experiencing that very thing right now. Why? Bitcoin is significantly down. The market cap of the entire cryptocurrency is like 2.2 trillion, and it's been as high as 3 trillion. So the whole market is down, which means you can get your membership for its ADAPad, MetaVPad, PulsePad, ETHPad, TrumpPad, BSEPad, Game Zone, NFT launch, all of the pads basically at a massive, massive discount. So let's have a quick look. So here's a chart of ADAPad. This is just their price action. It did its launch. It did a nice movement to the upside. It went as high as nearly $1.45. But look at the big correction it's made. Big correction because of the market sentiment. There's fear, there's pessimism, there's fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So the market price is driven down, and there's not many IDOs. However, ADAPad is given one of the best allocations for IDOs when they launch across multiple launchpads in the Bluezilla ecosystem. So with MetaVPad, ADAPad gave the highest allocation. So what I wanted to bring to your attention today was, though it might not be the most comfortable time to hold ADAPad because of the big retracement, it's running at a huge discount. It's 23 cents. So let's have a look at this. So let's just jump into their website. So here's ADAPad. I want to jump into the main website. And what we're going to look at is they've got 4 main guaranteed allocation tiers. It's copper, bronze, silver, and gold. Now, if we just look at the bronze tier, even the copper tier, right, 25,000 tokens is needed. So if we go to coin market cap, ADAPad is 22 cents. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. I knew it was going to come down, but this much is really, really crazy. So 25,000 tokens will cost you 5,500 tokens, $5,500 worth of tokens. To get the bronze tier, it's going to cost you 11,000 tokens, or $11,000, should I say. So it's not cheap, but it's much cheaper than it was. It was 3-4 times the price just a couple of weeks ago. Silver, you need 100,000, and then gold, you need 200,000. So if we calculate that, you can kind of do the math if this is suitable for yourself. 100,000 tokens is $22,000 for a silver, and 44,000 for a gold. Now, one IDO like DotPad, it can kind of pretty much pay for your whole membership. So this is what I wanted to kind of take into account today. Anything else I wanted to cover? Well, everything is down. Now, if we look at ValusPad, let's see if that comes up. Let's get this going. ValusPad. Why is it not showing VLXPad? I don't know why it's not showing. I'm typing it in wrong. Or even if it was MetaVPad, even if we look at MetaVPad right now, you know, it did a 1200X, but it is sitting at 37 cents, right? 37 cents. So the whole price is down. Look at it, significantly down from its all-time high. It's not, it looks like it's got a few glitches on its price data. We can kind of go to CoinGecko. But the main thing is, just to know, everything is like this. Game Zone is down. Game Zone was like $1.10. I think it's like 41 cents right now. So there you have it. DotPad is on the 27th of January 2022. So we've got around a month. But now is not the peak time. There's going to be a few IDOs between now and DotPad. But if you're comfortable and have the foresight and you believe that the whole market is going to pick up, if you believe that Bitcoin is going to hit six figures, like over $100,000 per Bitcoin at some point next year, whether it's March, April, May, or June, and you believe in the Polkadot ecosystem, well, I think DotPad is going to be a slam dunk. You know, minimum 300x, more than likely 500x, but highly probable, because we can only do probabilities and never certainties, it's going to be a 1000x. But also, just remember, taking everything into consideration, your vesting schedules, everything else. And if you haven't already, you can take my free masterclass on IDOs and launchpads from entry to exit. It kind of covers a high level overview. If you're looking to buy your launchpad, I kind of just cover all the basics. So there you have it, people. There you have it. DotPad, what do you think? Do you think it's going to do 1000x? Do you think Bluezilla's overdone it with too many launchpads? Do you know what? I was surprised to see MetaVPad, but I knew it was going to do well. I'm surprised to see DotPad. However, the Polkadot ecosystem, it's going to be a powerhouse ecosystem, and it's going to need that kind of platform to launch a lot of projects. So I'm not overly surprised. I'm half surprised and half not surprised, because now there's like 9 launchpads, but they're setting up for the long-term vision to make it easier to launch fantastic projects over the long term. So let's finish with a quote. To experience the ocean, you must first build the courage to leave shore. It might not be very comfortable to buy a Launchpad membership right now because there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. However, when everyone is selling, that's sometimes the best time to be buying, because you're going to get things at a massive, massive discount where it's undervalued. So therefore, when it's undervalued, it means you get a massive discount. So when the market does pick up, and if ADAPad goes back to $1, you're going to be able to buy it for 22 cents today. Doesn't get much better than that. So if you like today's video, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, check out the free masterclass in the link below. If you're new to crypto, by the way, and you're brand new, IDOs is probably a bit too much of an advanced strategy to start off with. I've also built a free crypto and blockchain foundation course, absolutely free. You get to experience my platform, everything else, 9 beautiful lessons just on the basics of blockchain and crypto. All right, I'll see you soon.